Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. It's literally beautiful because I'm standing here and looking down at my Kohako swordtails, and they are now developing and recovering their health, and I expect that someday somehow we're gonna be harvesting our babies of this Kohako swordtail. And right here at my side are the lovely cockatiels. I'm really very inspired today because I can spot many babies that are about to be weaned and fly out or come out from their nest boxes. And now I really felt that sense of fulfillment, sense of satisfaction out of raising these birds, because actually in the past few days I shared with you about the disaster that I had encountered insofar as this cockatiel breeding is concerned. We were disturbed by the rats and even the crickets and other insects, and that was the reason why these birds did not produce babies. And as soon as we were able to address these issues, I am so glad that they are now producing lots of babies. In fact, as we get inside here, we will see these beautiful and very cute babies. In front of me now are these 5 beautiful and very elegant babies of our cockatiels. And in fact, there are more than 5 of them, but they're too small to be disturbed. That's why I decided to not just disturb them, because the mamas are really very vigilant over these very young and very innocent babies. You can see here that there are beautiful babies, and 3 of them are the Lutinos. I'm really very happy about this because this is the product of our, bonding with the birds. Because in this kind of farming, we have to understand that these birds also need our attention. They need our care and even our bonding. And early in the morning, I will really try to whistle. I will try to make time with them and spend time with them by just entering this cage and giving them food. Actually is already a sufficient amount of time for them. And as you can see here, these babies are tame because we used to hand feed them, and it's in the hand feeding as well that we can ensure that the survival rate is really maximized, because you will be checking regularly about the health of these babies and feeding them as our way of helping the mamas to make their babies very fat. And this farming is not difficult. This farming is just very easy to manage as long as you will observe three things. Number one is the cleanliness. We have to clean all the surroundings. And even inside the nest boxes of our cockatiels, because there are tendencies that these insects will thrive inside. And the moment that they are disturbed, because I experienced that one cricket got inside in the nest box and it really caused the disturbance of the entire population of our birds. And that is why cleanliness is really very important. And from to time, we have to get all the dungs right out of the nest boxes in order for us to ensure that these insects will not thrive. Another thing that we can share is the giving of the food. These cockatiels are early risers, and as early as 5:30, they're already awake to feed their babies. And the reason why I really had to put some bird seeds in the feeding box at night is for them to be able to eat early in the morning, because they are early risers and we cannot allow them to starve early in the morning. If we're gonna put some food in our containers, this will ensure that the babies can eat early breakfast, because as what I've said, they are early risers. And by doing this practice, we were able to see good results. Seeds, greens like these leaves of this moringa, this palm tree, and even this olasiman, this water spinach are the greens that we give always to this bird. And I can see some excellent results out of these supplements. And aside from that, we are also supplementing them with, these powdered vitamins. This vitamin Pro is actually working well for us. These are the dung that we have collected out of the nest box. If we're gonna allow this to be accumulated inside in the nest box, then this will attract insects. And this will also emit foul odor. That is why I really had to check on this. And in fact, it's been delayed already since we have last cleaned all the dungs that are inside in the nest boxes. So these are the things that are basic, but we have to observe this one, because the success of our bird breeding and bird farming depends largely on the cleanliness, the attention, and the care that we can afford to them. Thanks for watching. These are all the things that we can share with you today. And I hope that you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, may I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell because we are uploading videos regularly. And these videos are very informative and entertaining. Only here at Dexter's World!